Do you think a windowless office is too dark for plants to survive? You might be surprised to learn that some of the world's toughest and most beautiful houseplants actually prefer low-light conditions. In fact, certain plants naturally grow beneath dense forest canopies where direct sunlight rarely reaches them. These green survivors can thrive under fluorescent lights, tolerate occasional neglect, and instantly transform a dull workspace into a peaceful, productive environment. If you've ever wanted to bring nature into your office but thought it was impossible because there are no windows, this video may completely change your mind. Here are 7 incredible plants that can brighten your workspace without needing a sunny spot. Number 1. ZZ plant. The nearly indestructible office champion have. You ever forgotten to water a plant for weeks and returned to find it looking perfectly healthy? That's exactly why the ZZ plant has earned its reputation as one of the toughest houseplants on the planet. This incredible plant seems almost designed for offices with no windows. The ZZ plant stores water inside its thick stems and glossy leaves, allowing it to survive long periods of neglect. Unlike many houseplants that demand bright sunlight, the ZZ plant can grow happily under fluorescent office lighting and tolerate dim conditions that would kill most other plants. It's dark green. Waxy leaves reflect light beautifully and instantly add a sophisticated, modern look to desks and office corners. Because it grows slowly, it won't outgrow its space or require frequent repotting. This makes it perfect for busy professionals who want greenery without extra maintenance. Another reason people love the ZZ plant is its remarkable adaptability. It can handle changing temperatures, dry indoor air, and inconsistent care schedules. Even if you travel frequently or occasionally forget your plants exist, this resilient beauty keeps looking healthy and elegant. The biggest mistake people make with ZZ plants is overwatering. Since it stores moisture naturally, watering every few weeks is usually enough. Give it well-draining soil and let it dry between waterings. For anyone wanting a plant that survives almost anything and still looks stunning, the ZZ plant may be the ultimate choice for a windowless office. Number. Snake plant. The stylish survivor imagine owning a plant that thrives on neglect and still manages to look elegant every single day. That's the magic of the snake plant. Often called one of the easiest houseplants in the world, it is practically made for offices with no windows. Snake plants naturally tolerate low-light conditions and perform surprisingly well under artificial lighting. Their tall, upright leaves create a strong architectural shape that adds a professional, modern feel to any workspace. One of the greatest advantages of the snake plant is its drought tolerance. Its thick leaves store moisture, meaning it only needs watering when the soil becomes completely dry. Busy professionals appreciate this because the plant doesn't demand constant attention. Snake plants are also incredibly long-lasting. With proper care, they can remain healthy for years and slowly produce new shoots, gradually becoming fuller and more impressive over time. Their vertical growth habit allows them to fit easily into small offices, narrow shelves, and desk corners without taking up valuable workspace. Another reason this plant is so popular is its adaptability. It tolerates air-conditioned environments, fluctuating temperatures, and periods of neglect remarkably well. Even if your office receives virtually no natural sunlight, the snake plant often continues looking fresh and vibrant. Its striking green leaves with unique patterns bring life and energy into dull office spaces. A single snake plant can instantly transform a dark, uninspiring room into a more welcoming and productive environment. If you're searching for a beautiful, low-maintenance plant that asks for very little but gives a lot in return, the snake plant deserves a place in your office. Number 3. Pothos, the cascading green beauty. What if one plant could instantly soften your office? Create a relaxing atmosphere and thrive even when sunlight is almost non-existent? Meet Pothos, one of the most versatile and forgiving houseplants you can own. Pothos is famous for its heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines that create movement and beauty wherever they grow. While many plants struggle in dark offices, Pothos adapts surprisingly well to low-light conditions and flourishes under fluorescent lighting. This easygoing plant is perfect for beginners because it tolerates occasional neglect. Forget to water it for a few days? No problem. Pothos is forgiving and quickly recovers once properly watered. Its trailing stems make it incredibly versatile. You can place it in a hanging basket, let it spill from a bookshelf, or allow its vines to gently drape across your desk. The flowing greenery creates a calming effect that can make even the most stressful office feel more peaceful. Pothos is also highly adaptable to different indoor conditions. It tolerates air conditioning, varying temperatures, and inconsistent humidity levels better than many other houseplants. One of its most appealing qualities is how quickly it can transform a workspace. A small plant can gradually develop into a lush display of cascading vines that makes your office feel alive and inviting. Although it prefers moderate watering, the key is allowing the top layer of soil to dry slightly before watering again. If your office needs a touch of softness, natural beauty, and effortless greenery, Pothos may become your new favorite plant companion. Number 4. Peace Lily, the elegant office. Companion, can a plant make a dark office feel calm and sophisticated? The peace lily certainly can. This beautiful plant is famous for its lush green foliage and elegant white blooms that seem to glow even in low-light environments. Unlike many flowering plants that demand direct sunshine, peace lilies adapt surprisingly well to offices with little or no natural light. They thrive under fluorescent lighting and continue producing rich green leaves that brighten any workspace. One reason people love peace lilies is their expressive nature. When thirsty, their leaves gently droop as if politely asking for water. Give them a drink and they often recover within hours. Their broad, glossy leaves create a tropical appearance that instantly softens sterile office environments. The occasional appearance of white flowers adds beauty and creates an atmosphere of peace and relaxation. Peace lilies prefer slightly moist soil, but do not enjoy sitting in water. Consistent care keeps them healthy and attractive for many years. Another benefit is their compact size. They fit perfectly on desks, shelves, filing cabinets, and reception counters. Their elegant appearance makes them suitable for both home offices and professional workplaces. Despite their delicate appearance, peace lilies are surprisingly resilient. They tolerate indoor conditions exceptionally well and remain beautiful even in spaces that receive very little sunlight. If your office feels dull, stressful, or lifeless, a peace lily can provide a refreshing sense of calm while adding natural beauty that never goes out of style. Number 5. Cast iron plant. The ultimate tough plant have. You ever wished for a plant that could survive almost anything? The cast iron plant may be exactly what you're looking for. Its name alone tells you everything you need to know. This incredibly resilient plant has earned its reputation by tolerating conditions that challenge most houseplants. Low light, irregular watering, temperature fluctuations, and neglect rarely bother it. The cast iron plant naturally thrives in shaded environments and adapts beautifully to windowless offices. Its large, deep green leaves create a lush tropical appearance that immediately makes spaces feel more inviting. Because it grows slowly, it remains manageable for years and requires very little maintenance. Busy professionals appreciate this because the plant quietly performs its job without demanding constant attention. Another advantage is its ability to tolerate dry indoor air and air-conditioned environments. Many plants suffer under these conditions, but the cast iron plant remains remarkably unfazed. Its broad leaves provide a calming visual presence that helps soften the hard edges of office furniture and electronic equipment. Even a single plant can make a dark office feel warmer and more connected to nature. The care requirements are refreshingly simple. Allow the soil to partially dry between waterings and avoid placing it in direct sunlight. That's usually enough to keep this plant thriving. If you want a dependable green companion that refuses to give up and continues looking beautiful despite challenging conditions, the cast iron plant may be one of the best choices for your office. Number 6. Chinese Evergreen, the colorful low-light star. What if your office plant could bring both color and incredible resilience? That's exactly what makes Chinese Evergreen so special. Unlike many low-light plants that offer only green leaves, Chinese Evergreens often display beautiful patterns of silver, cream, pink, and deep green. Their vibrant foliage immediately adds personality to dull office spaces. These plants naturally grow beneath forest canopies, which means they are perfectly adapted to lower light conditions. Fluorescent office lighting is often enough to keep them healthy and attractive. Chinese evergreens are also wonderfully easy to care for. They prefer moderate watering and tolerate occasional neglect surprisingly well. Their forgiving nature makes them ideal for busy work environments. One of their greatest strengths is adaptability. They handle air-conditioned offices, varying humidity levels, and changing temperatures with ease. Even people with little gardening experience can grow them successfully. The colorful leaves provide year-round interest and create an uplifting atmosphere. Looking at greenery throughout the day can make workspaces feel calmer and more comfortable, and Chinese evergreens accomplish this beautifully. Their moderate growth rate means they remain manageable and don't require constant pruning or repotting. Place one on your desk, near your computer, or in a corner that needs life, and it can completely transform the mood of the room. For anyone seeking beauty, color, and effortless care, Chinese evergreens are among the finest plants for windowless offices. Number 7. Lucky Bamboo, the Zen Desk Companion. Could one small plant completely change the feeling of your workspace? Lucky Bamboo proves that it can. Despite its name, Lucky Bamboo isn't actually bamboo. It's a remarkably adaptable plant that thrives indoors and performs exceptionally well under artificial lighting. Its slender green stems and graceful shapes create a calming, minimalist appearance that fits beautifully into modern offices. Many people enjoy arranging the stalks in decorative containers filled with water and stones. Lucky Bamboo requires very little space, making it ideal for desks, cubicles, shelves, and reception counters. Even the smallest office can easily accommodate this elegant plant. Another reason it has become so popular is its simplicity. As long as it receives clean water and indirect light from office fixtures, it can remain attractive for years. It asks for very little and gives back a great deal of beauty. The plant's elegant appearance creates a peaceful atmosphere that can make stressful workdays feel more relaxed and enjoyable. Its vibrant green stems bring life to sterile environments and remind us that nature can thrive even in unexpected places. Because it requires minimal care and adapts well to low-light conditions, Lucky Bamboo is an excellent choice for beginners and experienced plant lovers alike. If you're looking for a plant that's compact, calming, and incredibly easy to maintain, Lucky Bamboo may be the perfect finishing touch for your windowless office. Who says you need windows to enjoy beautiful plants? Nature is far more adaptable than most people realize. Plants like ZZ plants, snake plants, pothos, peace lilies, cast iron plants, Chinese evergreens, and Lucky Bamboo prove that greenery can thrive even in offices with little or no natural sunlight. Each of these remarkable plants offers something unique, from dramatic foliage and elegant shapes to incredible resilience and effortless care. Beyond simply decorating a room, plants can make workspaces feel calmer, more welcoming, and more inspiring. Even one small plant can completely transform the atmosphere of your office. So, if your workspace feels dull and lifeless, don't wait for a window. Bring in one of these amazing low-light champions and watch your office become greener, brighter, and far more enjoyable to spend time in every day.